Hello everyone, Nick from Courtesy Chrysler here, and today we are looking at this 2016 Ram 1500 Longhorn in a brilliant black pearl. Under the hood, you are going to find a 5.7 liter V8 engine coupled with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Coming down to your wheels, you are sitting on these beautiful alloy Ram rims with fairly new tires. On your key, you are going to find your unlock, lock, and panic button, as well as your ride height and factory remote start. Now coming inside the 1500, on the door, you're going to find your powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Then, just below there, you do have some additional storage space. On the left side of your dashboard, you have your automatic headlamp switches so that you can set it and forget it. Your driver's seat is fully powered with two-way lumbar support and a wonderful black leather interior. This Ram does have 106,381 kilometers. Also on your digital menu, you have your digital speedometer, vehicle information, fuel economy, trip information, and more. Down to the left of your wheel, you have your hands-free calling with voice commands and all of your digital menu controls. Over to the right of your wheel, you have your cruise controls in a very convenient location. And on the back side of your wheel, you have your wheel-mounted audio controls so that you can keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Now panning over to your touchscreen multimedia center, you do of course have your AM and FM options, and you are able to subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose. You are also able to play a mobile device via Bluetooth, and you can connect an SD card. This Longhorn has been optioned with navigation so that you never need to get lost on these crazy Calgary streets again. Just below there, you have your dual climate controls with air conditioning for this already hot summer. Both of your front seats are heated and cooled, and you do have your ride height buttons. This Ram does have tons of extra storage space, and you are able to connect a mobile device in your center console. Now looking into your back seats, as you can tell, your passengers do have lots of room back here. However, you can easily fold your seats right up and put your full flat floor down so you can maximize your cargo space. This truck does have an easy down tailgate, so your tailgate will never slam again. It has been optioned with a spray-in bed liner to prevent dents and rusting. This truck has been fully inspected and it does have a full carb proof. It has been 5-star cleaned to look like a brand new vehicle. So don't miss your opportunity to take this beauty home. This was Nick, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.